I'm going to show you how to assemble the power disc to the base of the iCoach Pro. First, you want to take the Allen wrenches and unscrew the top bolt to the bottom bolt of the iCoach. In your bag, you will receive a screw and a spacer. Now, where your number is the top part of the power disc. The bottom part of the power disc is where there's an indentation. You want to place the screw where the indentation is. Make sure and screw it in tight. Flip it over. And then place the spacer on the top and set that aside. Now take the male screw and place a washer on it and put it in the right leg of the base. Take another washer, put it below that, and connect it to the left part of the base. Make sure that the right part of the base is above the left. And then you'll want to place another washer on top of the spacer and connect them like that. And then with the Allen wrench, screw it on. Your power disc is attached. You are now ready for the fastest way to better tennis.